Amy Sindicic here. Welcome to Grammar in a Nutshell. Today's topic, future perfect simple. Let me remind you of four ways to express future. We can use will for instant decisions and general predictions. Be going to is used for pre-planned decisions and predictions based on evidence. The present continuous is used for near future, and present simple can be used for schedules and timetables that will occur in the future. Here, I have some examples of future perfect simple, which is used to express something that will be complete before a specified time in the future. I will have completed my studies by this time next year. It will be complete next year, or they meaning the studies. Example, there is so much traffic. It's too late to go home for dinner. Our family will have finished eating by the time we arrive. The dinner will be finished before our arrival. The plane will have already arrived if we don't get to the airport soon to meet them. We don't want them waiting alone in a strange place. Their arrival will be complete soon. You can't come at 7:30. The film will have already started by then. Please come no later than 7 p.m. The film will start prior to 7:30. Future perfect simple can be used to indicate a goal. I will have finished cooking dinner by the time you get home. Goal to have dinner ready or finished. Another example, their train will have arrived by the time we get to the station. The goal is their arrival. Future perfect simple takes the form subject, will have, and past participle. I will have taught. You will have danced. He, she, it will have painted. We will have left. You will have come. They will have eaten. Future perfect simple contractions. I'll have taught. You'll have danced. He'll have painted. She'll have painted. It'll have painted. We'll have left. You'll have come. They'll have eaten. Future perfect simple negative. Subject will not have and past participle. I will not have taught. You will not have danced. He, she, it will not have painted. We will not have left. You will not have come. They will not have eaten. With negative contractions, subject won't have and past participle. I won't have taught. You won't have danced. He, she, it won't have painted. We won't have left. You won't have come. They won't have eaten. Future perfect simple questions. Will, subject, have, and taught. Will I have taught? Will you have danced? Will he, she, it have painted? Will we have left? Will you have come? Will they have eaten? And here, future perfect simple Q&A, question and answer. Will you have finished the project by 5 p.m.? In the positive, yes, I will have finished. Sounds odd. More commonly, just yes. Will their plane have arrived by 9? No, it won't, or just no. Comparing future simple to future perfect simple. Future simple. We will take the test on Friday. The test will occur on Friday. Future perfect simple. We will have taken the test by Friday. This means the test will occur before or on Friday. It will certainly have occurred by Friday. It will be finished then. Okay, thank you for visiting me at Grammar in a Nutshell. Please visit me at amysindicic.com. Thank you.